T-Mobile home internet uses carrier-grade NAT, or CGNAT, which often results in a strict or moderate NAT type. NAT, or Network Address Translation, allows multiple devices to share a single public IP address. CGNAT adds another layer, assigning your modem a private IP, which complicates port forwarding for gaming, remote access, and server hosting. This means standard router settings won't directly change your NAT type. UPnP, or Universal Plug and Play, might help achieve a moderate NAT by automatically configuring ports on your local router. However, UPnP can't bypass the CGNAT layer imposed by T-Mobile. The core problem is that T-Mobile's upstream NIC doesn't honor local UPnP requests, making automatic port mapping obsolete. Since you can't directly change NAT type on T-Mobile home internet due to CGNAT, workarounds are necessary. A common solution involves using a VPN service like Mulvad or ExpressVPN, which offer port forwarding within their VPN tunnel, bypassing CGNAT by assigning a VPN IP with open ports. Alternatively, tunneling tools such as ngrok or Cloudflare Tunnel create secure tunnels to expose local services without needing open ports. While effective, these workarounds may add latency and subscription costs. T-Mobile does offer static IP add-ons for business customers, which bypass CGNAT entirely, but this is a paid option and not available for standard residential plans. By 2027, T-Mobile may offer more residential options with public IPs due to competition and FCC impetus.